Discuss the continuity of the function f(x) is equal to sine 2x divided by x if x is less than 0, x plus 2 if x is greater than 0. Solutions here. When x is less than 0, we have f(x) is equal to sine 2x divided by x. We know that every trigonometrical function is continuous in its domain. So sine 2x is continuous everywhere. Sine 2x is continuous so this one is sine 2x is continuous and x is a polynomial function. X is a polynomial function, so x is also continuous. See here, so sine x is continuous, sine 2x is continuous, x is continuous. If suppose this is a gx, if gx is continuous and hx is also continuous, so both will be continuous, so fx is continuous. Now we have to check here this one at x equal to 0. Now we have to check at x equal to 0. Now at x equal to 0, see here, limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, so less than 0 function is this one, sine 2x divided by x. So here 2 multiply and here 2. Since x tends to 0, so 2x also tends to 0. So it means limit 2x tends to 0, sine 2x divided by 2x into 2. So see here, so this one is equal to 1. So 1 into 2 equal to 2. So left hand limit, this is your left hand limit. Now we have to find out right hand limit. So right hand limit x tends to 0 plus fx. So function will become greater than 0, this one. So limit x tends to 0 plus x plus 2, putting here 0, so 0 plus 2 equal to 0. 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So right hand limit and left hand limit both are equal. Now find out f0. f0 is equal to, here equal to sign is also there. So x plus 2 means 0 plus 2 equal to 0. it means your left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f0. So the given function is continuous. So fx is equal to sin 2x by x is continuous everywhere. So the given function fx is continuous everywhere. See here, write down this one, left hand limit, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f0 is equal to 2, hence fx is continuous everywhere. Fx is continuous everywhere. Here show that the function f defined by fx is equal to this one is everywhere continuous. Everywhere continuous. See here, let gx, this part is gx, this part is gx. Gx is equal to this one and hx is equal to mod of x be two function defined on R. Then ho gx composite function h gx. So h dx we can write like this. So now gx is 1 minus x plus mod of x is equal to, first we have to put gx, so gx is this one. Now this one is suppose x. So what is hx? Hx is your mod of x. Hx is your mod of x. So here put, suppose this is x, so put here. So we have become mod of 1 minus x plus mod of x, and this is equal to fx. So now see here, 1 minus x is a polynomial function. We know that every polynomial function is continuous. Every polynomial function is continuous. So 1 minus x is a polynomial function. So 1 minus x is continuous. And mod of x, we know that modulus function is continuous everywhere. So mod of x is continuous everywhere. Now see here, gx is equal to 1 minus x plus mod of x. This is a polynomial function. We know that every polynomial function is continuous and every modulus function is continuous. So sum will be continuous. Polynomial function is continuous and modulus function is continuous. Therefore the sum will be continuous, is everywhere continuous. So hx is equal to mod of x. So mod of x is everywhere continuous. Hence HOGX is continuous everywhere. See here, let fx is equal to 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square. X is less than 0. A if x equal to 0, root x divided by square root 16 plus root x minus 4 if x is greater than 0. Determine the value of a. You have to find the value of a so that function fx is continuous at x equal to 0. So here what is given, function is continuous at x equal to 0, then we have to find out the value of a. We have to find out the value of a. So we know that if function is continuous, then left hand limit, right hand limit and f0 will be equal. So here write down, we know that fx is continuous, fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Function is continuous at x equal to 0. It means left hand limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and equal to f0. So left hand limit, so now right hand limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to f0. So see here f0 x equal to 0 equal to a. The value is a. Now see here left hand limit. First limit x tends to 0 minus fx equal to. So less than 0, the less than 0 function is this one. Less than 0 function is x is less than 0. So we can use this one. So limit x tends to 0 minus. So 1 minus cos 4x. You know that the formula become 2 sin square 2x. 2 sin square 2x divided by x square. So see here the formula writing here 1 minus, since 1 minus cos 4x is equal to 2 sin square 2x. Now see here, so we can write like this, 2 outside limit x tends to 0 minus sin 2x by x whole square. Now here it is 2, here it is 2, so we have to make here 2, so we are multiplying here by 2 and here 2. 2 multiplying 2. So now see here, since x tends to 0, so 2x also tends to 0. So it means this one is equal to limit 2x tends to 0 minus sin 2x by 2x whole square, and this 2 square become here 4. Now this value is 1, this complete value is 1, this one equal to 1. So we can write here 2 equal to 2 into 1 into 4 is equal to 8. So your left hand limit is equal to 8. If you want to find out, then you can find out right hand limit also. So it means f0, here f0 is equal to a and left hand limit is your 8. So it means the value of a is 8. And through right hand also you can find out right hand limit. See here. So right hand limit x tends to 0 plus fx. So this is your right hand limit. So right hand limit, write down limit x tends to 0 plus root x divided by square root 16 plus root x minus 4. So you have to rationalize. Here. So here you have to multiply it by 16 plus root x plus 4. Root 16 again root x here plus 4. So this one become here become, see here, a plus b into a minus b. Suppose this is a and this is here b, 4 is b. So a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So here become limit x tends to 0 plus root x, here root 16 plus root x plus 4 divided by root, here a plus b into a minus b formula you have to use. So here, see here, so root x here become 60a This is a plus b, a minus b. So become a square minus b square, so square root removed. So here become 16 plus root x, b square, so become minus 16. So plus 16 and minus 16 cancel. So here become limit x tends to 0 plus root x, here root 16 plus root x plus 4 divided by root x. So root x and root x cancel. Now put the limit. When 0 here, so square root of 0 is 0, square root of 16 is 4, so become 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It means left hand limit, right hand limit, and f0. So f0 is a, right hand limit is 8, left hand limit is 8. So the value of a is equal to 8. The value of a is equal to 8. You got the value of a. So similar types of question you try to solve from other books.